Our shop has been hard at work on the Polygauge SS, so let's take a behind-the-scenes look at where we are in production. Over at the laser cutter, we're cutting out the poly gauges one at a time from sheets of high-quality stainless steel. Next, the burrs and rough edges from the laser cut are removed. Then the parts are flattened and inspected by hand. One of the most important steps in manufacturing is the CNC precision milled edge, which is then checked by our state-of-the-art video optics system to make sure the tool's angles are dead-on accurate within 0.0085 degrees. We're continuing to work on the Polygauge SS and are getting closer to the final stages of production. So stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.